Aloha, welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's session, we are going to tackle about the homeroom guidance of Grade 4 for Quarter 3, Module 9, entitled Be Proactive, Develop Problem-Solving Skills. Introductory message. For the learner, this module is designed for you to learn how to be a proactive student. Every day, you may encounter different problems within yourself, at home, school, and community. As a growing individual, you should develop necessary problem-solving skills that will help you overcome these challenges. However, you should also learn the importance of asking for help in times of uncertainty where you need to seek the assistance of your peers or presence of adults around you. More so, you will learn the significance of offering your help to others in solving their problems. This module consists of 6 interactive activities for you to follow, namely, Let's Try This, which will help you get ready to learn, Let's Explore This, which will guide you towards what you need to learn, Keep in Mind, which will give you the lessons that you need to learn and understand, You Can Do It, which will help you apply the lessons learned in daily activities, What I Have Learned, which will test and evaluate your learning, and Share Your Thoughts and Feelings, which will help you express your thoughts, opinions, and feelings. You can ask help from your parent or guardian if you need some clarifications about the activities. Have fun learning. Stay safe and healthy. Learning objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to 1. Identify issues and problems relating to self, home, school, and community. 2. Demonstrate the importance of seeking and giving help in resolving problems. And 3. Share effective ways of solving a problem. Introduction. This module was intended to develop your sense of responsibility for your own learning. As a growing individual, you should learn how to handle simple problems that you may face and come up with solutions. The lesson and activities in this module will give you opportunities to apply problem-solving skills in real-life situations. Let's review. In Module 8, you learned how important your parents are in making different decisions in your life. They are there to guide you every step of the way. For your first activity, which is the Let's Try This, you are going to do the stumbling blocks. In your daily life, you will possibly face different problems. Some are easy, while some might be hard to solve. 1. List down any problems that you experienced or currently experiencing relating to self, family, school, and community. 2. Copy and answer the activity on a piece of paper. After you've finished doing the first activity, you may now answer this 3 processing questions. Write your answers on the paper you used from the previous activity. Number 1. What did you feel while doing the activity? 2. Was it easy or difficult to identify the problems relating to yourself and others? Explain your answer briefly. And 3. What was the biggest problem that you experienced during this COVID-19 pandemic? Share how you handled and solved it. For your Let's Explore This activity, you are going to do the Who Are You Going to Call? Activity. There are problems that you can solve on your own, but at times, you may need to seek help from others. Number 1. Identify who is best to call or where to ask for advice, self, parents, teachers, or friends, in the given problems. 2. Write your answers on the appropriate boxes on the table. And 3. Copy and answer the activity on a piece of After you've finished doing the Let's Explore This activity, you may now proceed on answering this 3 processing questions. Write your answers on the paper you used from the previous activity. Number 1. What did you feel while completing the activity? 2. Who do you call the most to ask for help? Explain your answer briefly. And 3. At your age, what simple problems can you solve by yourself? Now you must keep this in mind. Proactive problem solving. Learning how to solve personal or social problems is one of the most important life skills that a child like you should develop and practice. This is also an important aspect in the enhancement of your critical thinking skills. Proactive problem solving is about finding helpful solutions to a problem as soon as it happens. In taking an active role to solving problems, you may use these simple and practical strategies that a young individual like you can follow and practice. Step 1. Stop. Know and understand the problem. Step 2. Think. Think of different ways on how you will solve the problem. Study the possible results of the choices that you have. Step 3. Choose. Choose and apply the best solution. Evaluate the result. Remember, you may either succeed or fail on your chosen action. That's why it's important to have other choices to choose from. Failing should not discourage you. Instead, you should learn from it and continue to enhance your skills to become a good problem solver. Believe in yourself, you can do it. For your You Can Do It activity, you are going to do the stop, think and choose. Number 1. Identify one of the difficulties or challenges that you encountered in the study at home setup. 2. Try to solve it by applying the steps and problem-solving skills. 3. If needed, you may ask for help from one of your family members. Examples are provided to guide you in the activity. And 4. Copy and answer the activity on a piece of paper. After you've finished doing the activity, you are now going to answer this 3 processing questions. Write your answers on the paper you used from the previous activity. Number 1. What did you feel during the time when you had a problem? 2. How did you come up with the best solution? And 3. What did you discover about yourself after successfully solving the problem? To test what you have learned in this module, you are now going to do the What I Have Learned activity. The W's chart. Number 1. Accomplish the chart with what you've learned from this module. And 2. Copy and answer the activity on a piece of paper. Lastly, you are now going to share your thoughts and feelings. I am a proactive. 1. Make a simple slogan about your commitment, be a proactive learner and develop your problem-solving skills. 2. You may also add drawings and designs in your work. And 3. Use a piece of paper and coloring materials.